Hometown Throwdown, let's go! Michigan, it feels great to be home. We are Eva Under Fire. And we kick it off with some new music. Are you ready?
Suffering becomes too much. Just remember that you are enough. When the suffering becomes too much, no matter what they say, we rise above. They couldn't break me. They couldn't break us. They couldn't break me. Into the sky, for the dark that I have survived. This is my abandon now. I'm not breathing, I stay breathing. Demons going down.
Show them how to do the rock show.
You smile like the sun, but wanna see me lose. You analyze the tide of everything you do. Friends in farewell, but you cannot hide the truth. You want what you can't hide, so you try to think we see. Yes, we would know water, but you keep pulling me under. Keep crying on my door. I'm not scared. I don't need direction. I know the way. You can't erase my soul or put me on display. My skin and bones got honey so that you back, but you were my mistake. When clouds were overhead, you left me in your way. You held me over me like I pushed you away. You wanted me to drown, I did your escape. You wish me in the water, and you keep pulling me under. Keep burning on my temple. I'm not ashamed. I don't need direction. I know the way. You can't erase the scar. I'll put me on display. I stand for heart and soul that you can't take. My own name's not dead yet. I should be sailed before the wreckage. Looks like you failed. I'm not dead yet. I should be sailed before the wreckage. Coffin's nailed. You should get me here. I'm not dead yet. I'm not dead yet. I know my number. I'm not ashamed. I don't need direction. I know the way. You can't erase my scars or put me on display. I stand for the heart and soul that you can't take. My own name.
This is very surreal. Many of us on this stage had our very first concert right here at Kainam. And because of all of you, we managed to link up with some of the best friends in the game, man. Give it up for Cody Jinks and Five Finger Death Punch! To all of the friends and all of the family who are here tonight, thank you. This would not be possible without you. Wrote you a brand new album. This one's off of that record. It's called Murder Scene.
If I'm dead on the door, just step over my dead. You ain't but a body, nothing but a fool. Right now, what's all in my head? I ain't but a body, nothing but a body. Cut it off if you just can't take it. Take it off, I'll just rearrange it. It's no real to die, take a pill, but I feel it in my body. I know what comes next. Oh, to me, let me go back. This is a murder scene. We're so close to the end now, covered in red now. I ain't nothing but a body, I ain't nothing but a belly wrecked out, worried to black out. I ain't nothing but a body, I ain't nothing but a body. Run it up like I'm weak and wasted. What's it feel like to be dying? It's not real to die, take a pill, but I feel it in my body. All my dreams have become my nightmares. Running through the midnight air. Should've known better when the smile seemed to stay. Scream but don't want to get away. Are you free? So deep, deep to my brain. It's an emergency. This is a murder scene. My nightmares, crawling through the midnight air. Should've known better when the smile should just stay. I scream, but no one's there. the person you knew yesterday. Things used along the way. This is the side of me you pierced with pain. These are the hands that couldn't hold your shame. I tried to hold on till I realized hold on, slipping further with time. I tried to hold on till I realized I can't let you go. I can't let you down. Let your arms skin. I'm not your heroine. I can't let you down. Please change your style. Let your arms skin. Not your heroine. Change you now, save your own soul. Not your heroine. I can't you know. I can't you now. Save your own soul. Not your heroine. I can't you now. Break this change yourself. Save your own skin. I'm not your heroine. This is a pretty incredible night. Thank you guys so much for coming, showing up early. All right, Pine Knob, we gotta get a little energy. You guys ready to pick it up? Then let's bounce. Oh yeah. Somebody say hey! I feel like I'm breaking down, down, down. You pull me under till I drown, drown, drown. I'm feeling all of my head, can't keep up both the edge. Maybe I'm better
drums. I need everybody in here to bounce with me. Up top, I want to see you. Hands in the sky, hands in the sky. I've been through hard times. I've been through hell and back. To get to the edge. Everybody bounce. I've been through hell and back. I've been through hell and back. I took it to the edge, and there's no turning back. Comatose with every overdose. I'm feeling so alone, screaming, screaming. Comatose with every overdose. Feeling so alone, screaming, screaming. I think I need some help. Empty bottles on the shelf keep dragging me through hell. Screaming, screaming. Someone save me from myself. Someone save me from myself. Somebody save me. So we're from downriver Detroit. A lot of you guys know all of our old music. This is the one from the brand new album, the title track. This one is called Villainous. Every word I say, I don't bother putting my leg on what I waste my time. I'm on you, you always getting up. You let me move it, but you shut up for every time you scream, you're poison in my face. I can feel it, you hurt my face. Therefore, what you create is I am not the same. So go ahead, I'll be going this. To kill me in my sleep, to shatter all my dreams. I'm awake and it's too late. And you won't stop me now. Turn me into a villain. Every time you scream, you're poison in my face. I can feel it, yeah. You poison, you create. I am not the same. So go ahead, I'll be going. That's what I want now! Listen, if you've had a good time, we're gonna do a headline show at District 142. Make sure you come check that out in November. Much love. I got one more song. Give me everything you've got. You're so free to try.